BAS10 machine is designed to automatically assemble Bonnell springs by connecting individual spring units with helical wires to form a complete Bonnell spring unit. It can accommodate up to 19 jaws, customizable. The maximum width of the bed net is 19,600 mm, which can easily meet the production needs of mattresses of different specifications. Small footprint, one worker can operate and save cost. IT automates the process of securing springs, saving time and effort compared to manual methods. Special steel wire treatment technology can quickly transforms ordinary wire into spiral wire. Automatic stringing springs at the same time with the spiral wire tightly wrapping the top and bottom of the spring ensure high quality and stability of the bed net. It can realize automatic cutting and bending of excess steel wire in the production process of string springs. Equipped with a wear-resistant clamp, with precision components and mechanisms to ensure accurate alignment and connection of the springs, resulting in consistent quality and performance. Adjustable settings, operators can adjust settings such as wire tension, spring alignment, and assembly speed to customize the production process based on specific requirements. Equipped with 2 wire racks, each of which can bear 300 kilograms of steel wire, meeting the needs of long-term continuous production. Equipped with a movable spring storage rack, the operator can move the springs quickly and easily, improving the overall production efficiency. Production efficiency by automating the assembly process. The machine significantly increases production efficiency, allowing for the rapid creation of Bonnell springs in large quantities. The screen will synchronize the display of the corresponding fault content when a fault occurs in operation, and alarm reminders to facilitate workers to troubleshoot in a timely manner. Equipped with a high horsepower motor, it can be operated without an air compressor, ensuring long-term reliability and performance. Adopting dual servo motor technology increases production efficiency, allowing for the rapid creation of Bonnell springs in large quantities. Adjustable height settings, it can be configured to produce various sizes and types of Bonnell springs to meet different requirements. Provides foot pedal operation, a light step can realize the one-button automatic spring stringing function, making the operation more convenient and efficient. Durable construction built with robust materials and components, Bonnell spring assembly machines are designed for long-term use in industrial settings. Automatic control can set the number of spring rows according to production needs, and automatically push out after meeting the parameter requirements, which improves production efficiency and flexibility. User-friendly interface real-time progress and parameters are displayed on the home page, which is convenient for production management and monitoring. The operating table is movable, which is convenient for the operator to operate in the running fluent operation and improve the efficiency. The manual button allows workers to make precise adjustments and debugging of the machine. Support manual and automatic mode switching to meet the needs of different production stages. Improve the flexibility and practicality of the equipment. Equipped with one-button bed net pushing function, it reduces manual labor through automated assembly process. Equipped with automatic lubrication system to extend the service life of the machine, while reducing the wear and tear of steel wire on the mold, reducing the maintenance cost. High-quality electrical components ensure reliable performance and safe operation. Finished product display, the machine ensures uniformity in the assembly of Bonnell springs, resulting in consistent spring quality and performance characteristics across all produced units.